Hello everyone, this is my beautiful model Landy. We're going to be demonstrating our chai blending look for you today using the new clay lightener in combination with SilkLift Strong. We're going to be finishing with the Elumen glossing service at the basin just to ensure a beautiful glossy end result. Let's get started. I'm going to start now by using my SilkLift Strong encapsulated in foils with a 6%, just around the hairline, a few on top and a few at the back. So my weaves are super tiny, fine baby lights, just to ensure a beautiful sun-kissed end result. This is just to break up the root area with a few fine dimensional pieces, and then we're going to be working on our tip-out freehand technique to the middlings to ends. So I've decided to work away from the root area because Landy wants a super natural end result. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my finger and slightly brushing out the SilkLift lightener just to soften that blend in that area. Now we're going to start with the fun part of the color application, our freehand painting technique. So I'm going to start at the back and then work my way to the front. So that's why I like to work my way from the bottom up. With Landy's hair, I'm going to start here at the bottom with some deep triangular sectioning patterns. And these I'm going to leave as my negative space. And I'm going to be working my hand paint on these triangled sections. So I like to start a little bit lower and make sure I apply and saturate my product off the brush and then work my way up. So in that area, you work mainly on your surface, and once you're happy with your application, I like to then use my balayage board in order to really saturate the middlings to ends. Using the board as a surface allows you to really work through the density of hair and make sure these tip outs are super bright. But obviously the amount of lightener is really important. So the saturation, where it's nice and evenly saturated, you'll get much better lift. But where it's a little bit more blended, you'll get less lift but more gradual, so more of a blend. So the key is to really focus on getting a beautiful blend, but have enough color so that you can get a beautiful lift, saturating my ends so that I can get maximum lift. We're going to be doing our Elumen glazing service at the basin area. We've rinsed and prepared the hair with Elumen shampoo, and now we're going to use the Elumen glossing. I've mixed NB at 10, BB at 10 and GB at 9. So we've just finished. I absolutely love using Elumen as a toning service because it actually just completely deswells that cuticle after lightening, which leaves the hair super fresh. It reflects light. It is so smooth and silky because of the acidity of the color. So I'm so excited for this final result. So this is our final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun, and I'm even more in love with the clay lightener after this. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like these.